Hey everyone, today we're going to make Lobia Sabzi or black eyed peas vegetable stew. So I'm going to soak my black eyed peas. I had an hour, so I soaked it for an hour. If you have overnight, do it overnight. You can also just put it in the pressure cooker, so it doesn't really matter how long you soak it for. So I'm just going to cut up my vegetables. For my vegetables, I have tomato, garlic, ginger, onion, and jalapenos. I actually de-seed the jalapenos because I don't like it super spicy. So that kind of depends on your heat level tolerance. You can also use garlic ginger paste if you'd like. I actually like the taste of fresh garlic and ginger, so I just use that. So once everything is nicely chopped, we're just going to set it aside and we're going to plate our masala. So for this masala, it's actually not a whole bunch of different spices. I have garam masala, turmeric, red pepper, cumin, cinnamon, cloves, whole black pepper. So now we're going to head to our stove. So I've got my onions frying, and then I'm going to add in the rest of the vegetables that we cut. I'm also going to add in the black-eyed peas and the rest of my masala. So I'm just going to let that fry a little bit before adding any water. And once whatever liquid was in the black-eyed peas is kind of dry, we're going to add in our yogurt and then our water, and then you're just going to let it cook. You can also definitely make this in the Instant Pot or pressure cooker, and that'll go by a lot faster. You just want to have the black eyed peas cooked but still retain its shape so that it's not mushy or soggy. And then once it's cooked, we're going to start plating it. So you're going to top it with some lemon and some cilantro, and you can enjoy this with some pita bread or tandoori naan. So I hope you try this dish. It's pretty light. It comes by pretty quickly. You don't have to hover over the stove and like constantly watch it. So it's a pretty healthy and low maintenance dish.